this video, I'm just going to highlight why it's so important to use an Internet Explorer browser on a Windows 10 computer to access an IP camera to configure it. In this particular example, we're using a 12 megapixel 360 degree camera. As you can see on the right hand side, there is a bunch of different fisheye modes or de-warping modes available. Now this is using the IP camera interface on the Internet Explorer browser. This particular camera also supports the Google Chrome browser, so I'm going to go ahead and open that live preview up in Google Chrome. But notice the biggest difference here is that the controls for de-warping or fisheye are not even here on this interface. So while you can use the Google Chrome interface to get a video picture, you cannot actually do much with that video. So you could of course go to the settings and modify any of the condition settings that you need to, but if this camera had motorized zoom or any other kind of motorized function like a PTZ camera, then you wouldn't be able to do a whole lot with it. Like as you can see, for example, again, this camera is a fisheye or de-warped camera, and I can't do any neat features that are available on the Internet Explorer browser. Now let's go ahead and show you some of those features on the Internet Explorer browser. Here you can see there's different display modes. This allows me to control my camera. This is the default view that we were able to see from the Google Chrome browser. I could of course expand that view using the expand button and look up and down. I could create a four-grid view and control these different views using de-warping. We have another video that's on the full de-warping video, so I won't go through each individual one of these modes. However, the newest and latest and greatest feature is the VR modes. These are very neat VR modes that actually emulate this camera's views, and this can only be done in the Internet Explorer plugin. Here's another neat one. It kind of gives you a dome feature, and you can scroll around the dome. In the wall installation mode, this is kind of limited the way we have the camera mounted. You could of course optimize this for your own installation. And then last but not least, we have another kind of overview world view, and we can kind of go inside of the dome and look around what the dome can actually see. You could also do the ceiling mount installation, and then you get more fisheye modes. Again, that's covered in our fisheye article. However, the VR modes are kind of different when compared to a wall installation, but they're kind of similar as well, in which you can get the dome view here. You could do a cylinder, and then last but not least, kind of a dome world overview, in which you can place yourself inside of the dome and look around. So again, these are just some of the neat features that you will get using the Internet Explorer web interface plugin rather than trying to use the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge plugin. Thank you for watching.